Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you the 6 best WordPress page builders plugins. The WordPress plugins offer several benefits to developers and website administrators. One of those is they save time. Well, the main reason so many developers use plugins is because they save a lot of development time, which in turn can save on a website's overall budget. And also, they can offer some flexibility. So plugins provide developers the flexibility to customize site features and functionality. So most plugins allow some settings to be turned on and off, and styles such as fonts, colors, and sizes to be changed to match the rest of the site. And finally, they can be very reliable. So plugins have become so essential to WordPress development that many of them are created and managed by reputable companies who regularly update them to fix bugs and improve security. And in this video, I will show you the 6 best WordPress page builders plugins today. The first here is SeedPR. Well, SeedPR is saying that the best drag and drop page builder for WordPress. And there are a tons of super useful features to cover in this SeedPR review. SeedPR's drag and drop page builder makes it easy for anyone to create great looking landing pages without any coding knowledge. So given how easy the visual page builder is to use, even beginners can make stunning landing pages with zero fuss. And another feature here that makes SeedPR a fantastic landing page solution is its library of flexible landing page templates. So you can use these templates to make landing pages for any niche or goal. And each template is fully customizable in the drag and drop builder, making it super easy to get things looking the way you want. And also the SeedPR has an easy customization options, and also has a font themes and color palettes, and has a advanced page blocks. So that's only one of the many things that SeedPR has. So without a doubt, SeedPR is what we can say the best WordPress landing page builder. So it's easy to use, affordable, fast, and has all the features you need to create high converting landing pages in WordPress. Now the second plugins here is Beaver Builder. A Beaver Builder is a page builder plugin for WordPress that allows you to create custom page layouts using a drag and drop interface. With Beaver Builder, you can easily create professional looking pages without the need for any coding knowledge. The plugin includes a variety of pre-designed templates and modules that you can use to add different types of content to your pages, such as images, videos, buttons, and more. And you can also customize the appearance of your pages using the plugin's built-in design options, including the ability to change colors, fonts, and other design elements. So Beaver Builder is a popular choice for creating landing pages, sales pages, and other types of promotional pages on WordPress websites. And third plugin that we're going to talk about is the Theyify by Elegant Themes. Theyify is a WordPress theme and visual page builder that allows users to create beautiful websites without any coding knowledge. It is fully customizable and offers access to hundreds of pre-made sites, layouts, and plugins. It is easy to use, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. But no doubt here, Theyify isn't just a WordPress theme. It's a complete design framework that allows you to design and customize every part of your website from the ground up. So you have control over everything down to the finest detail. So create the perfect website for you and your clients with this Theyify by Elegant Themes. Now let's go to the 5th plugins that we're going to use with the WordPress. And this is the Elementor. Well, Elementor is a drag and drop page builder for WordPress. So this plugin helps you create beautiful pages using a visual editor. So it's designed for you to build dynamic website quickly. So this WordPress plugin is an all-in-one solution, so letting you control every part of your website design in a single platform. And you can just customize your website to fit your brand with motion effects, multiple fonts, and enhanced background images. And with Elementor, you can build anything. That includes customizing entire website to specific landing pages. You can design sales pages, promotional pages, and even custom forms. And Elementor has its user-friendly interface, makes it an effective platform for non-coders. So if you want to attract and nurture more leads, install Elementor and get these plugins to your WordPress. Now let's go to the last plugins that we're talking about in WordPress, and this is the Themify. So as you can see, Themify Builder is a versatile page builder that provides an easy solution for all users to construct their websites with easy drag and drop editing. The best thing here is it is integrated with all Themify built themes, so you can also use it with other themes. And one of the best features here is the drag and drop builder. So drag and drop features puts an end to the obstacles faced by non-coders, letting them easily create any page or post. And also has the styling panel. So this is the remarkable feature of Themify. So that puts the user in the driving seat, giving them complete control over their theme. And the user has the freedom to change header and footer styles, background images, post titles, and everything associated with theme stylization. And also one of the best feature here is the responsive grid features. So it enables easy optimization on all devices. So the Themify Builder contains a built-in responsive grid, but it also offers the users its responsive grid features that allows the page display optimization on various screens. And also it has a animation effects. So users can use all the cool Themify effects, including the popular pulse, flash, shake, swing, flap, and zoom in effects. So you can have that features here if you install that Themify page builder in your WordPress plugins. So that's the 6 best plugins that you can use on your WordPress. So using plugins on WordPress is very important because it gives you the building blocks of your WordPress site. And they bring in important functions to your websites, whether you need to add contact forms, improve SEO, increase site speed, create an online store, or offer email opt-ins. So whatever you need your WordPress website to do, you can be done it with a plugin. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.